In case of emergency situation, please calm. Do not panic. Immediately check the FDAS or fire detector alarm system. Apply the S.A.R procedure, which is silence, acknowledge, and reset. Step number 1. Press the silence button. If the buzzer sound stops, go to step 2. Step number 2. Press the acknowledge button. Whether in this 4 acknowledge button, just press once. Example, this acknowledge button number 2. After you press the acknowledge button, wait for at least 3 to 5 seconds and the location of alarm will appear on the green screen. Quickly call your EMT or emergency management team and patrolling security guard to proceed to the area to verify the cause of the alarm. Now, it was confirmed, only false alarm. A false fire alarm was confirmed, proceed to the step 3. Step number 3. Press the reset button and wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds and the system will back to normal. It will appear in the green screen in the upper side.